This is a patient of mine. She's a 59-year-old woman. She looks much younger than that. On whom I performed upper and lower eyelid surgery, facial fat grafting, and neck lift. It was not necessary to do a facelift on her. Turn sideways just a little bit, and turn this way a little bit. Thank you. You look so pleased. I'm so glad. I wish all my patients looked like you.
I am very pleased.
And just tell me about it. How do your friends see this?
Oh my God. I don't even know how to say thank you. The procedure was so smooth, so painless. The result, I am so happy with it. So happy with it.
You do look very, very
Thank you
very
so
wonderful.
much. You corrected my lips. You gave me a straight nose. You got rid of my problems, even medical problems, which was breathing and tear eyes, and just even went beyond just being cosmetic, surgery. You gave me more than it just looking beautiful. You corrected me in a lot of ways.
So you were the hit of Saint-Tropez when you went back?
Yes,
huh?
I just came back from Saint-Tropez, and I tried to stay away from sun this year.
Bridget Bardot was a hard
I
person
don't know about that, but I definitely look so much younger. I mean, I look at my picture before and after, it's unbelievable. It's like 20 years difference.
I thank you.
It really is.